All right, let's quickly get you a breaking update with regards to Vinesh Fogart as far as the decision that is now likely on part of the CAS or the Court of Arbitration for Sports, and the decision is likely as it had already taken up when it comes to the appeal that was filed as far as the disqualification of the wrestler is concerned. We have Karishma with us right now. Karishma, we believe as far as the verdict is concerned, it is expected to be out later in the day today.
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita. It is maximum till 9:30 p.m. IST that the time has been given by the Court of Arbitration for Sport till when the decision is going to be out. It is not that it will come out at 9:30. It can be earlier as well. It is 11 here in Paris, 11 a.m. So about 7 hours is the time frame in which we are expecting a verdict on Vinesh Fogart. And, you know, the order clearly says by application of Article 18 of the CAS arbitration rules for the Olympic Games, the president of the CAS ad hoc division extends the time limit for the panel to give a decision until 10th August 2024 at 1800 Paris time. So clearly 1800 Paris time would mean 9:30 p.m. IST, which is the maximum time that one is expecting for the Vinesh verdict to be out. So there is a proper confirmation coming in that the verdict will be out today.
All right, but this is also in it as far as we can say in the circumstances in which that Vinesh Fogart was disqualified. The appeal that has been made on part of India as far as the IOA also is concerned. Already this is something that we know, Karishma, that it has been taken up or rather accepted to hear on part of India's side of the version is concerned, or what happens with Vinesh Fogart next.
Well, it's absolutely. The hearing happened yesterday. It was only a one-day hearing. No more deliberations were required, and we were expecting a decision yesterday as well, but that did not happen. So now today we are expecting a decision. Mr. Harish Salve appeared for the Indian Olympic Association. There were 4 pro bono lawyers, which is the rule as far as Olympic Games are concerned. The host country needs to have a set of lawyers to file cases on behalf of athletes. So they filed the case in time for Vinesh Fogart, and then the IOA and the Government of India took over, and the case has been heard by a sole judge in the Court of Arbitration of Sports. And now today we will know what is going to be the decision as far as Vinesh Fogart's case and the request for a shared silver medal is concerned.
All right, that will be a development to look out for as far as Vinesh Fogart's verdict is concerned. That is expected later in the day today.